I'm happy to see you. I am happy to see you. Mwen kontan wè ou. Mwen kontan wè ou. Let me hug you. Let me hug you. Kite m'embrase ou. Kite m'embrase ou. Can you translate this for me? Can you translate this for me? Est-ce que ou ka traduit ça pour moi? Est-ce que ou ka traduit ça pour moi? I will take you to the church. I will take you to the church. M'a mené ou l'église là. M'a mené ou l'église là. I'm not ready yet. I am not ready yet. Mwen poko prêt. Mwen poko prêt. I will come back later. I will come back later. Map tourne pita. Map tourne pita. I can try to do that. I can try to do that. Mwen ka essaye fè ça. Mwen ka essaye fè ça. I'm over the moon today. I am over the moon today. Mwen vraiment content jodi ya. Mwen vraiment content jodi ya. I drink a lot of water every day. I drink a lot of water every day. Mwen bwe an pil l'eau chaque jour. Mwen bwe an pil l'eau chaque jour. I don't want to bother you. I don't want to bother you. Mwen pa vle déranger ou. Mwen pa vle déranger ou. I miss you a lot. I miss you a lot. Mwen manke ou an pil. Mwen manke ou an pil. I always play at school. I always play at school. Mwen toujou joué nan l'école là. Mwen toujou joué dans l'école là. I'm glad to meet you. I'm glad to meet you. Mwen bien content rencontrer ou. Mwen bien content rencontrer ou. What do you mean? What do you mean? Ki sa ou vle di? Ki sa ou vle di? It wasn't about you. It wasn't about you. Se pa te sou ou. Se pa te sou ou. Let me think about it. Let me think about it. Kite m réfléchi de ça. Kite m réfléchi de ça. My mom means a lot to me. My mom means a lot to me. Maman vle di an pil pou mwen. Maman vle di an pil pou mwen. Let's talk about this. Let's talk about this. An pale sou sa. An pale sou sa. I'll take it for you. I'll take it for you. Ma pran pou ou. Ma pran pou ou. This guy is a bragger. This guy is a bragger. Monsieur c'est yon jolé. Monsieur c'est yon jolé.